Bitcoin dogs? Yes, you read that right. It's not just some meme token trying to ride the coattails of Dogecoin. Bitcoin Dogs is a playful yet genuine cryptocurrency project centered around man's best friend. But how do you buy it? First, you'll need the basics: a wallet. This is where you'll store your Bitcoin Dogs safely. If you already have a crypto wallet for storing Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other tokens, you're halfway there. If not, set up one on platforms like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once your wallet is ready, ensure you've got some crypto funds available. Most likely, Bitcoin Dogs operates on a blockchain like Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. So, fund your wallet with BNB or ETH accordingly, depending on the chain it's using. Now, here's the tricky part for beginners: connecting your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Popular DEX options are PancakeSwap for BSC-based tokens or Uniswap for Ethereum. You'll swap your BNB or ETH for Bitcoin Dogs tokens here. Before you trade, you'll need the contract address for Bitcoin Dogs. This ensures you're buying the legit token and not some scam copycat. You can find the contract address on the project's official website or verified social channels. Do not skip this. Once you have the contract address, paste it into the DEX's token search bar. Verify that the token details match exactly. Crypto scams are rampant, and even one wrong digit in the address could mean losing your money. Triple check. Set your slippage tolerance. Trust me, every crypto newbie struggles with this. Slippage is the buffer for price changes during your trade. Bitcoin Dogs, being a volatile token, might require a slippage of around 5 to 10%. Adjust if your transaction fails. Execute your swap. Confirm the trade and approve the transaction using your wallet. Remember, you'll also pay gas fees, which vary based on activity on the blockchain. These fees can range from pennies to $50, depending on the network used. Boom! Your Bitcoin Dogs should now appear in your wallet. If not, manually add the token to display it. Use that same contract address and follow your wallet's steps to add custom token. It happens to everyone on their first go. Pro tip: always start small. If you're new, test the process with a small amount of funds to ensure everything works smoothly. You don't want hard-earned money disappearing into the crypto ether because of a rookie mistake. Next pain point: security. Keep your wallet private keys backed up but stored securely. Forget screenshots or notes on your phone. Hackers will hit you hard if they somehow get into your cloud or device storage. Lastly, follow Bitcoin Dogs updates. Smaller tokens can pivot or add new features. Their value fluctuates wildly, so staying informed about burns, rewards, or roadmap goals means you're not left out in the cold. Also, it's kind of fun. So go for it. Buying Bitcoin Dogs might feel like a bit of a maze at first, but it's like learning any new skill. Best part? You might just be helping fund cool causes tied to actual dogs, or, just memeing on the blockchain.